Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on allowing pop-ups in Safari for iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. By default, pop-ups in Safari are blocked. To allow them, open up the Settings app on your iPad. In the settings, scroll down and select Safari from the left sidebar. In Safari settings, under the General heading, there is an option called Block Pop-ups. Disable this option to allow pop-ups to work on your iPad. You can always come back here and reblock pop-ups again later if you change your mind. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.